The result is thinning skin, fine lines and wrinkles that deepen over time. Most people turn to store-bought creams or serums filled with chemicals that promise instant results, but these products often only sit on the surface, providing temporary moisture without actually repairing the deeper layers where real aging occurs. What makes the Japanese orange recipe so extraordinary is how it works beyond the surface, interacting with the skin's own biological processes to restore its natural ability to heal. When the orange peel, rich in vitamin C and bioflavonoids, touches the skin, it delivers a powerful antioxidant boost that begins to neutralize free radicals, those unstable molecules responsible for damaging cells and accelerating aging. Vitamin C is one of the most vital nutrients for skin health because it helps synthesize collagen, the very substance that keeps the skin plump and youthful. But what sets this Japanese formula apart is the synergy between vitamin C and the natural compounds in the orange peel oil. These oils act as carriers, helping the nutrients penetrate deep into the dermis, the layer where collagen and elastin fibers live. Once inside, the antioxidants begin to repair microscopic damage caused by years of sun exposure and pollution. The rice flour in the recipe adds another layer of benefit. It gently exfoliates dead cells, clearing the way for new ones to form while also tightening the skin's surface. This combination of exfoliation and deep nourishment creates the perfect environment for regeneration. Meanwhile, the olive or camellia oil included in the blend doesn't just moisturize. It mimics the natural lipids in human skin, sealing in hydration and preventing water loss, which is essential for maintaining elasticity. The honey, rich in enzymes and minerals, further supports the healing process by locking in moisture and protecting against bacteria that can irritate or inflame the skin. Together, these ingredients form a powerful system that not only improves texture, but also encourages the body to produce new collagen naturally. It's like reawakening a process that had been dormant for years. Dr. Hinohara often described this formula as a conversation with the skin, a way of reminding it how to function at its best. Instead of forcing change through chemicals or artificial stimulation, this natural blend works with the body's rhythm. Over time, the skin becomes more responsive, more resilient, and visibly younger looking. Modern scientific research supports this idea too. Studies have shown that the flavonoids found in citrus peels enhance microcirculation, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to the skin's deeper layers. This improved blood flow contributes to that healthy natural glow that can't be faked with makeup or filters. It's a slow, gentle rejuvenation process that restores balance from the inside out. The beauty of the Japanese orange recipe lies in its simplicity. It doesn't rely on exotic ingredients or expensive tools, only 4 natural elements that come together to form a rejuvenating formula that nourishes the skin from the outside in. These 4 ingredients, an orange, rice flour, olive or camellia oil, and honey, each play a vital role, and when blended together, they create a synergy that helps the skin heal, brighten, and tighten naturally. The process of making this recipe is almost meditative, a small act of self-care that connects you to a century-old Japanese tradition of mindful beauty. It starts with an orange, preferably a Japanese mikan if you can find it, though any fresh organic orange will do. The secret is in the peel because that's where the true power of the fruit resides. The peel is rich in vitamin C, essential oils and antioxidants that work like a natural collagen booster, helping the skin fight free radicals and stimulate new cell growth. To prepare the mixture, the orange peel is washed thoroughly and ground into a fine paste using a mortar and pestle or a blender. The scent that fills the air is refreshing and citrusy, a signal that you're about to give your skin something alive and potent. Then a small amount of fresh orange juice is added to the paste to make it smooth and easier to apply. Next comes the rice flour, which has been used in Japanese skincare for centuries as a natural exfoliant and brightener. It gently removes dull, dead cells, leaving the skin smoother and more even-toned without the harshness of chemical scrubs. Rice flour also contains ferulic acid and allantoin, both known for their ability to protect and soothe the skin while promoting natural regeneration. After mixing the rice flour, a few drops of olive oil or camellia oil are added. Olive oil, known for its moisturizing properties, penetrates deeply into the skin, helping to rebuild its natural lipid barrier and prevent dryness. Camellia oil, a Japanese favorite, is light and packed with antioxidants, making it ideal for aging or sensitive skin. It softens the skin while reducing the appearance of fine lines and scars. The final ingredient, honey, acts as a humectant. It attracts and retains moisture while also offering antibacterial benefits. This means it not only keeps the skin hydrated, but also protects it from irritation and breakouts. When all 4 ingredients are combined, the result is a smooth, creamy paste that feels luxurious but completely natural. To use it, the face should first be cleansed with warm water to open the pore. Then the orange paste is applied evenly across the skin and gently massaged in small circular motions for about 3 minutes. This massage helps improve blood circulation and ensures that every drop of the mixture seeps into the deeper layers of the skin. After massaging, the mask is left on for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the nutrients to absorb fully before rinsing it off with cool water to tighten the pore. This ritual, repeated 2 or 3 times a week, gradually transforms the skin, softening lines, brightening the tone, and restoring a youthful glow. It's a simple routine, yet the results are remarkable, showing how a few humble ingredients can unlock the skin's natural vitality and beauty. In Japan, the concept of beauty has always been deeply intertwined with philosophy, balance, and a sense of harmony between body, mind, and nature. Unlike the fast-paced Western approach that often focuses on fixing flaws or masking imperfections, the Japanese way sees beauty as something that naturally emerges when the body and spirit are in sync. Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara often said that true youthfulness comes not from what you put on your skin, but from how you live your life. This belief forms the foundation of why the Japanese orange recipe works so effectively. It's not just a skincare formula. It's a reflection of a lifestyle built on mindfulness, nutrition, and gentle self-care. In Japanese culture, caring for your skin is seen as a ritual, not a routine. It's a moment of calm in a busy day, a way to connect with yourself and restore inner peace. When you prepare and apply the orange mask, you're not only treating your skin, you're also practicing patience, awareness, and respect for your body. Dr. Hinohara believed that radiant skin was simply the outward sign of a well-balanced inner life. He encouraged daily habits that nourished not only the physical body, but also the spirit. For instance, he recommended starting each morning with a few deep breaths, a warm cup of green tea, and gentle stretching to awaken the circulation. He taught that when the body's energy flows freely, the skin reflects that balance through a healthy glow. Hydration was another key pillar. Drinking water regularly throughout the day, not just when thirsty, keeps the cells hydrated and helps flush toxins that dull the complexion.